Hello everyone, today we are going to study fundamental unit of life, which is the first chapter of class 9th biology, and this video is made on the behalf of Swami Vivekananda School, Hazoli. Now we will study cell. हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं cell है. Cell आखिर होता कैसा है? Okay, let's study this. This be a cell and this be a nucleus in it, which is dark in color. Okay, this is nucleus and this is cell, total cell. Okay, first we will study by the diagram, then we will classify it. Cell has the outermost layer, this layer. This layer is, what is this? Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Okay. In plant cell, in only plant cell, there is one more layer outside this plasma membrane. This layer outside is cell membrane. Okay, sorry, cell wall. Only in plant होता है. Okay, only in plant होता है. Human cell में cell wall नहीं होता है. Animal cell में cell wall नहीं होता है. Only in plant cell. But this plasma membrane is present everywhere in every cell of this world. Okay. This is nucleus. This is nucleus. Nucleus. This is cytoplasm. 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 The region between nucleus and the plasma membrane is known as cytoplasm. Above this nucleus, there is a layer which is known as nuclear envelope, yeah, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. But as we have studied in the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, that nuclear membrane is only present in eukaryotic cell because it is true nucleus it has. Okay, so nuclear membrane is only present in eukaryotic cells. Okay, and in this cytoplasm there are many cell organelles which we will study further. Okay, there are many cell organelles in it. Okay, we will study about this. Let's classify the cell. What is cell? How it is? What are the types? What are the different parts in cell? Okay, cell. Mainly cell has two parts. One is plasma membrane. No. The first is cell membrane, and the second is protoplasm. Most of you would be amazed that how there are only two parts of cell membrane and protoplasm, because the nucleus and the cytoplasm is a part of protoplasm. Okay, learn it. Maybe this would be a new information for all of you. The cell membrane is of two types: plasma membrane and cell membrane. Okay, I am teaching all of you in like table form or diagram. Okay, to learn it more easily, I want to teach all of you in very easy manner. Okay, protoplasm is of protoplasm has two parts. First is cytoplasm, which you would be waiting for, cytoplasm, and the second is nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm and nucleus. Now we will study each of them very briefly, because class 9th level is very brief. Plasma membrane. It is a selectively permeable membrane. Permeable membrane. Okay, the meaning of selectively permeable membrane is दिस बॉडी मेड ऑफ सिलेक्टिव, सिलेक्टिव मीन्स चुनिंदा, परमिएबल मतलब जो ट्रांसफर कर सके एक चीज़ को दूसरे चीज़ से, ठीक है। तो यहाँ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन जो होता है, बस जो उसमें पोर्स होता है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है पोर्स, लाइक दिस इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन शीट, ओके, दिस इज पोर्स, these pores only allow a few materials, useful materials to enter, okay। तो ये जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ये कुछ सिलेक्टिव, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन जो है ये कुछ सिलेक्टिव मटेरियल्स को अंदर जाने के लिए अलाउ करता है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड सिलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन, ओके। प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ टू थिंग्स, द फर्स्ट इज लिपिड, लिपिड प्लस प्रोटीन, ओके। Plasma membrane is made up of two things, lipid and protein manufactures the plasma membrane, okay। The third point for this is it is flexible to engulf food, You all have studied the name of amoeba, okay। Amoeba is one cell, but it's take food, take water, okay, same as that, it take water from plasma membrane, okay, because plasma membrane is flexible to engulf food, वो जो फूड को कैप्चर करने में फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, वो फ्लेक्सिबल होकर ऐसे सामान को ले लेता है, उसके बाद वो अपने अंदर संभाल लेता है फूड को, ओके। This flexible to engulf food, this process is of two type, okay। इंडोसाइटोसिस ये फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, ये दो टाइप का होता है, इंडोसाइटोसिस एंड एक्सोसाइटोसिस। अगेन वी विल ब्रेक डाउन दिस टर्म्स, ओके। इंडो मीन्स इन, अंदर, ओके। इंडोसाइटोसिस मीन्स अंदर, वो अंदर जाता है भोजन या कोई भी चीज़, फूड ट्रांसफर्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड, दिस इज नॉन एज इंडोसाइटोसिस, ये अंदर जा रहा है, इंडो, ओके। एक्सो मतलब बाहर, एक्सटर्नल, ओके। ये ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनीथिंग फ्रॉम inner part to outer part, outer atmosphere is known as exocytosis, and endocytosis is of two type is pinocytosis and phagocytosis, okay। pino, what does mean? pino पानी पीते हैं ना, ओके, वही पी रहा है, मतलब कि टेकिंग ऑफ लिक्विड और वाटर, ये जो वाटर जो अंदर जाता है आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड, इज नॉन एज पिनोसाइटोसिस। जैसे हम इसको ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं हम कि पी रहा है कोई चीज़, सो पिनोसाइटोसिस मीन्स इट इज ड्रिंकिंग एनीथिंग वाटर और एनी लिक्विड, सो इट इज नॉन एज पिनोसाइटोसिस। एंड फैगोसाइटोसिस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम, अपोजिट फ्रॉम पिनोसाइटोसिस, इट इज ईटिंग। फैगोसाइटोसिस मीन्स सेल ईटिंग and pinocytosis means cell drinking, okay। endocytosis means out, exocytosis, okay। exocytosis is out to in, outside to in, बाहर से कोई चीज भीतर जा रहा है, उसे हम एक्सोसाइटोसिस कहते हैं, but it is not more necessary, okay। it is very rarely asked in this exam, okay। And the next characteristics of this plasma membrane is, okay, first we will इसे मिटा लेते हैं, okay। Pause the video and note this। And other characteristics is seen through electron microscope, this is the sign of electron microscope in 1940, 1940 ईस्वी में इसे पहला बार इसे इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप की मदद से देखा गया था, ठीक है। और इट हेल्प्स इन डिफ्यूजन and osmosis. You must have studied about osmosis in class 7th or 8th. Okay, but I am giving you the definition of this diffusion and osmosis. Osmosis is the transfer of any material from high concentration to low concentration. मतलब कि कोई भी चीज़, जैसे कि एक ड्रम में कोई पानी है, ठीक है, इस ड्रम में इतना पानी है, हाँ भरा हुआ है पानी, और इस ड्रम में खाली है ये ड्रम, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है, इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, जिसमें ज़्यादा पानी है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है उसका, जिसमें कम पानी है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन उसका कम है. यहाँ अगर हम पाइप जोड़ देते हैं, ओके, ये पानी इधर आएगा, हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टू लोअर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. सेम एज दैट, osmosis is a transfer of material from high concentration to low concentration. This is termed as osmosis. And diffusion. Diffusion is the intermixing of particles. Intermixing of particles on their own. Like we can say, if we will put like anything, we can say, if we will put some, we say sugar. Okay, if we will put sugar in water, it will diffuse automatically. It will mix in that water automatically. This is known as diffusion. Please write, intermixing of particles on their own. मतलब कि intermix होता है अपने आप, हम लोगों को उसे हिलाना नहीं पड़ता. Intermixing of particles on their own is known as diffusion. और आप लोग तो कहोगे कि ये वैसे चीनी को डालेंगे नहीं मिलेगा, but after some time, 1 hour, 2 hour, it will mix. Okay, this is known as diffusion. This was all about this lecture, and we will study further of this chapter in our next video. And if you have any doubt regarding this lecture or the previous lecture, you can contact us at the mail mysbps@gmail.com. We will definitely try to answer all your queries, or you can also call your teachers for your queries. Thanks.